As we ascend the Taming Sari Tower, the breathtaking views of Malacca slowly unveil themselves. This revolving tower rises to a height of 110 meters, offering a panoramic 360-degree view of the city's skyline. To the west, you'll see the tranquil Malacca Strait, stretching out endlessly, where the historic port once buzzed with activity. On the other side, iconic landmarks like St. Paul's Hill and the Dutch Square stand out amidst the modern buildings. From this height, the unique blend of old and new that defines Malacca becomes evident. The lush greenery of the countryside meets vibrant urban spaces, creating a sight like no other. As the tower gently rotates, take in the beauty of Malacca's historic charm from an entirely new perspective. It's more than just a ride. It's an unforgettable moment to connect with the heart of this heritage-rich city.